fit. Looks so silly. Let's go meet breakfast. Oh.
Probably pass on.
It's expired.
Yeah.
Why won't this focus? Look who's back. There we go. It only took like 5 minutes. We're making egg whites.
Have some hummus. A little dry on ingredients.
He's leaving, that's why he's empty. Cheers.
Cheese?
Sure. It's currently 1:10 and now we're eating breakfast.
Get that right on the dot too.
I can mix it.
You want more than that? Or is that good?
Maybe a little more. She's hungry today.
Sounds good. You can do that.
Oh, I forgot to bring my camera for a walk. Dang it.
No, I feel like we don't usually do that much, but
I think it's fine.
we'll be okay.
We went to Mission Bay, walked around there.
Nice.
Got our coffee from Super Bloom. Super cute place. Fluffer Nutter.
Fluffer. That's right.
Which one did you get?
That's salty booty.
Salty Beach. Mine was like peanut butter, chocolate, and banana. Hello. Okay, how do I fix this? Every time. Okay, there we go.
Yeah, that's
it only
good.
takes like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
The vlogs are back.
Bayou Tavern.
Yeah, Bayou Tavern for National Tequila Day.
I bet they have a mark.
Yeah, they have to.
They do? Yeah.
I saw they had a slush drink.
Oh.
Remember when they gave you in a kitty cup?
Yeah. I think, didn't they only limit you to like 2 of them here?
The slushy ones?
Yeah, I think they do something like that.
I don't think those were even that strong, right? Or was it?
They were pretty strong.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
They gave it to him in a kitty cup. He was so upset about it.
Sad day.
Tony didn't get a kitty cup
Yeah.
because he got tahini, right? Or something?
Yeah, tahini on the rim, but she did say the kitty cup made it hold it cold for longer.
Yeah, it keeps it cool.
Yeah.
So. She was looking out for you.
Oh yeah, she was. Nice lady.
Yeah. Wait, which one did you order?
This was the Mahalo mule.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta get that like drizzle, yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
There we go.
Keep it going.
Thank you for being so patient with me.
Of course, baby. I'm here for.
Literally takes like 15 minutes for me to get a photo and some videos.
That's okay. It's better. It makes it that much better. You chew on this one?
Is that an aloe?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, yeah.
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 Go ahead. Oh, cheers though.
Cheers. That never happened.
This one's good.
Really good.
Yeah, this is good.
Not normally a mezcal person, but I really like it.
I like Moscow Mules. This has pineapple juice in it.
Wait, this is Moscow Mule?
Or this is like a Moscow Mule. But
is it good?
Yeah, they just added pineapple juice to it. It's like everything that's normally in one, and then pineapple juice in this aloe. I don't think that adds any flavor though.
Bite into it.
Go find out.
He's a really big Moscow Mule.
I like my mules. I usually don't like to see them in there. I'm usually copper. Yeah, you know.
Does it not taste the
It's
same?
still good.
Does it make a difference in taste?
It's just they keep the copper like holds. I feel like it just holds it colder for longer.
Oh,
Maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, not touching.
Yeah, oh wait.
Wait, this is a video. Got the mushroom tacos. Got the mushroom tacos. What'd you get?
Mushroom talks and the chicken sando.
Yeah.
Good.
Yep. Yep.
So good.
Yep.
10.
These mushroom tacos are fire.
Hell yes, my guy.
What's more fire though? You gotta be real.
That's really good. This chicken sando. If we're being real, that's the one. I don't know anything about beer. I just know how to film
That
it.
looks good.
Ready?
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers. Yeah, thank you.
Totally. Yeah, thank you.
This is the honeydew.
You guys, sorry.
Oh, no worries. You're good. Thank you. Appreciate it. This is the honeydew high chew.
And weekend bye.
Bye, guys. Cheers again.
Mm-hmm.
I think you would like that. There's ginger in it. Can you try it?
That's way better than what I had earlier.
Yeah, I think it was... He's making the chopped salad
Finished
sandwich.
product. Yeah.
And there's Kobe.
Two pieces of cheese in there.
Huh?
That's probably okay. 2 pieces of cheese.
Yeah. Beach day.
Beach day. And spaghetti.
How do I fix the lighting? We just ate our... I don't think I got a video of that on here.
No, we got no footage of that.
No.
Come on, that was glorious.
It was so good. I got it on my phone. We had to move though. We were sitting down there and the waves are coming up.
Still a little sketchy. Wise.
I want to take a photo. We look so good. Oh no.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Oh my god.
Thank God you weren't out there for that one.
I would cry.
You just get washed up.
I give up. I give up.
Cindy.
Crazy waves out here.
That's a nightmare fuel for you.
Nightmare. Oh, look at the doggy.
Our dog better not. These are like the waves I have in my dreams of like float. Sorry. Does it sound crazy?
No, that's scary.
Yeah,
That's scary,
no, like
yeah.
that big. I have a lot of dreams where I'm like floating going over that big wave.
He just has dreams of this all the time.
I do love waves.
This is scary, look at it. First time. Hi, Lucy.
What is that challenge you told me? The 2 workouts, 45
75 hard.
minutes. Yeah, but then there's also like reading, like what, 15 minutes a day?
Yeah.
Hey.
So bright.
Amazing. Like, it just doesn't relate. Like,
Yeah. Look at the view. Video right now. Okay, ready? The photo?
yeah.
I'm coming. I'm right here. I gotta go slow. Wow, the sun's finally out.
So nice, god damn it.
Jeez, it was so cloudy this whole
So glad we
time.
didn't leave.
We had to go to, what was that spot called? It was like a bar. The Shack.
The shack.
Because I had to pee so bad. Oh, right here? Right here?
Yeah, nah, little.
Okay.
This is gonna be very slippery.
Oh shit, yep. That was scary. Trying to find a spot on the beach so the waves don't come up to us.
We gotta hurry though. Be quick through here.
Okay. Never mind, we're changing.
Like this. Matching. Oh no, they're not. Briefs, yeah, voiceovers. Close, but no cigar.
I had to borrow his sandals because I forgot mine at home. Avoid the balls.
About the balls. Oh, I wonder if you could jump off that shit.
Let's
Right
not.
there.
You probably could.
I would rather see someone do it first.
Let's
That
go. Jeez, I am out of breath. my goodness, yes! This is it right here.
Which I know you will.
I'm not.
Oh, really?
I should be more careful, I'm not. Currently 5:45. There was a seagull here, but he left us. Frick. I knew you'd come back, brother. No, literally.
Like,
that's
that
amazing. You like Travis?
Like, dang, that shit's...
We gotta zoom that out.
Oh, whoa, whoa. Hi, buddy.
There he goes. We
need to dust off before we get in here.
We're going home.
Down.
We'll be right back. We're gonna take a photo. Bloody Maria.
Is it Bloody Maria is with like a michelada, right?
I think it's tequila. Yeah, vodka.
Oh, really?
How do I change this? So... Huckleberry Marg.
I don't remember the
beer.
Name. Yeah, beer.
The lighting is so harsh because behind us.
Rough,
yeah. Wow. Ocean Beach.